Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Parking Solutions 101 series. This is episode 13 so far, and thank you for being so attached to our series. Hopefully, you will continue with us. The parking system, as we said, always is the first and last point of encounter for almost any establishment. So if you own one, looking to implement the parking solutions of your own, or would you like to design or select the proper technology to meet your requirements, this series of videos is for you. And my guest, as always, for this series is going to be Marwan Sadid from Shaitan Bachman, Middle East. Now, it's time to focus on the entity which manages the whole show and who has the key position in making it a success, the operator. So how is that we make his life or their life easy?
Yes, Daniel. Now, time to focus on the operator, the ones who will run the show and ensure the parking operation is as smooth and as successful as possible. That's why the parking solution which you need to put in place has to have a certain also abilities, capabilities for them. So one of them would be, for instance, like keeping the system or having the system easy and flexible to use by the operator. It shouldn't be too complicated, let's say, to handle the day-to-day operations like generating reportings, do a couple of modification here and there. And the other point, for instance, is enable them or providing them the capability to do also some of the basic configurations or changing some of the most important relevant parameters like tariff related or tariff rates, like the validation rates, for instance, like date and time of the system or the data of regular customers. This should be easy to do without the need to go back to the manufacturer. And the system has to have the capability to offer them easiness into handle exception transactions. Those exception transactions could be like lost tickets or could be unreadable ticket, or for the license plate for ticketless based systems, something like not readable license plate. And those kind of exception transactions should be easily handled by the operator. And we have to think as well when the operator has multiple sites who would like to handle them or operate them from a central location. So your system solution has to have the capability to offer this kind of centralization so that they can have only one team at a central command center and enable them to do the whole operations from a remote distance. This flexibility is very important, but we don't have to forget about the security and the safety of the data, which is even more important than the flexibility to the operator. That's why the parking solution has to be very secure from tampering with, especially with financial data.
Beautiful, amazing insight. And for you, our viewers, share your questions no matter what regarding this parking solutions and the pains or the questions or problems you're facing. We'll be happy to answer it. And stay tuned with us for the next episode. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, Marwan.